Did you know your passion for rare collectibles could make you money? Let's explore the exciting world of collecting and how you can turn hobbies into profits. Rare collectibles come in many forms. Trading cards like Pokemon or Magic, The Gathering, can sell for thousands of dollars. Vintage coins, especially those with minting errors, are sought after by collectors and investors. Even limited edition sneakers, like rare Nikes, can skyrocket in value. The value of a collectible depends on rarity, condition, and demand. Items in pristine condition with a limited supply tend to appreciate the most. For example, first edition books or rare comic books in good shape are worth big money today. You don't need to be rich to start. Look at thrift stores, garage sales, and online marketplaces like eBay. Auctions and conventions are also great places to find hidden gems. Do your research to spot undervalued items. Collecting isn't just a hobby, it's an investment. Start small, learn as you go, and focus on items you're passionate about. Who knows? Your next find could be worth a fortune. Subscribe for more money-making ideas.